Hello mis amigos and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're having an amazing day. And today we're back in the kitchen and I hope you know what that means. I mean, it could mean a lot of things. But today it means that I'm trying to follow your guys' recipes that you sent me on Instagram. So a couple of days ago, I asked you guys on Instagram, follow me there if you want to be part of these types of videos as well. If you could send me some of your crazy recipes, your snacks, or just crazy stuff. And you did that. And here I am right now. And I'm gonna try, not all, but most of them, many of them, some of them. In case you're wondering, and I bet you wouldn't even have noticed had I not said anything, this pot is already full of freshly cooked pasta, which is the main ingredient of one of the crazy food combinations that you sent me. But we'll get back to that in just a little bit. However, one more thing I would like to mention, there's a construction site literally 5 meters to my left. So there's a lot of banging and whooshing and whatevering, and they're not even making any progressing, but it's very louding. I hope it won't be too distracting and too annoying. With that being said, let's start with the first recipe, shall we? So recipe numero uno. We're gonna start with this one because it's gonna have to rest in the fridge for a little while. Comes from Nina, and it tells me to melt butter and marshmallows, add cornflakes, put it in the fridge and cut it into brownie pieces. For diabetes, basically, which I'm excited about. I think I've seen these types of snacks. I just want to eat. I just want to try it as well. Unfortunately, Nina's amazing recipe doesn't tell me any amount, but I guess I'm just gonna have to wing it. Yeah, it's gonna be amazing. Okay, butter, time to melt. Might be a bit too hot. I don't know. It's already melting. I mean, that looks like a lot of fat. Luckily, I'm taking a break from working out. This break has been longer than I anticipated, like about 8 months now, but we'll get back at some point. I just really wish that I loved working out. I feel like I just need a personal trainer. Who wants to be my personal trainer? That personal trainer would also have to make me a meal plan, preferably cook these meals as well. Just make me feel good without doing too much. Who's up for the task? I shall add marshmallows now. This looks funny. Okay, when can we call this melted? I'm gonna add the cornflakes now. Whatever, it's just done. Who's gonna clean this? It looks amazing so far. Probably not what it should look like, but it's whatever. So while the first recipe is cooling down in the fridge, we can move on to recipe numero dos. And for that, we finally need our pasta. We've got this beautiful spaghetti here, which I hope we're not gonna ruin it with what we're gonna add to it. Eileen told me to eat pasta with strawberries. I don't know about that. I don't know. I know there are a lot of you who like to eat pasta not savory but sweet. I've never had sweet pasta. When I found out that people eat sweet pasta, I was about 14 to 15 years old and I felt like my world collapsed. This was just crazy. My father is Italian and he's really proud of pasta for some reason. I must have inherited some of that because I was like, no, how dare you insult pasta like that? And so I never had it. So now I'm 23 years old and I'll finally try sweet pasta because Eileen wants me to try sweet pasta. Here goes nothing. Please don't let me down, strawberry. Is this not going to be like super dry? Eileen, you say it's good? So I'ma trust you and try it now. Let's just say, if I had never tried it, I would not have missed it in my life. I don't know why I thought that it was gonna be dry. I'm sorry, but this is just unnecessary. You can only taste the strawberry, and then there's just this unnecessary pasta texture in there that you also have to chew. Just why? The strawberry doesn't add anything to the pasta, and the pasta doesn't add anything to the strawberry. I was genuinely trying to make this work. Maybe it has to be even sweeter. Just add a bit of sugar to the pasta. Why? Let's move on. This is a whole category now. Because you guys do crazy things with Nutella. I'm not judging. You eat whatever you want to eat, whatever makes you feel good, whatever makes you feel better. I actually did not want to buy any Nutella anymore, but then every second response that I got on Instagram was a recipe with Nutella, so it's your fault. Carrot with Nutella is the best thing ever. I found the most perfect carrot. I guess we're just gonna dip it in my Nutella. This could be good. That looked very interesting. You know what? It's not too bad. Okay, you can't take too much Nutella because then you only taste the Nutella. But if you don't take too much Nutella, then I understand why someone would like that. I don't know. I don't think I'll ever eat it again, but you also wouldn't have to force me to eat it. Cool. And let's move on to the next recipe. We're gonna mix gherkins with Nutella. Actually, we're gonna do it on a toast because Kim says toast with Nutella and cucumber. Without butter or with butter? Because Nutella without butter is a crime. Off to a great start. I'm gonna add the cucumber. I'm not sure what the cucumber is supposed to add to the toast with Nutella. It's edible, doesn't taste disgusting. I will not eat it again. It can be eaten. Does it have to be eaten? Moving on. Mozzarella and Nutella, which sounds amazing together, but will it taste amazing together? I hope they actually like it and they didn't just type in 2 random ingredients. I can't wait to find out. Why do you eat mozzarella and then think,
oh, why don't I just put Nutella on my mozzarella?
I won't properly judge until I try. Do I add a lot of Nutella? Just a little bit? I have no idea. Here goes nothing. Why? This is so unnecessary. What? Huh? I don't understand. Help me understand because I just don't understand. Why? It's just unnecessary. It doesn't taste awful. It's not edible. It's just unnecessary. Just eat your mozzarella on some pizza with tomatoes and salad. Just on its own, on a slice of bread. Don't mix it with Nutella. Like, why? You do you. Let me just tell you, it's unnecessary. Speaking of unnecessary, let's move on to the next recipe. Oh, mein kleiner Nancy told me on Instagram to put Nutella on my vegetarian salami. Yeah. Do you want to try something that's actually not that bad?
Yeah. I don't know about that.
Yeah.
If that is the best thing you've eaten so far.
This is just wrong, guys. Do I put a lot of Nutella? I don't know. No. No.
Oh, no.
At first I thought it was okay because you could only taste the Nutella. And then slowly, but too intensely, the salami taste came through and it was just a no. A big fat no.
This is my no-no square. Don't touch me there. This is my no-no square.
Yeah, this is my no-no square for this food combination. One more thing that we're gonna put Nutella on top of. Then I'm glad we're done with Nutella because this is just no. And the last Nutella combination was Jessica's idea. And she tells me to add Nutella to chips. I wanted to get salted chips because she didn't specify which type of chips. But the grocery store I went to didn't have any salted chips, aber ich kaufe schon Paprika-Chips. Voll unnötig.
I don't think this will taste good. Salted chips, okay, but...
Yeah, maybe. But she didn't specify. Maybe she just eats it with all types of chips. Maybe this is gonna taste amazing and then I'll always buy them. Here goes nothing. It's just not worth it. You eat chips knowing that you eat crap, but it's like worth it because it tastes good, you know? You eat Nutella knowing it's crap, but you eat it anyway because it tastes good. This together is just crap together and it doesn't even taste good, so it's just unnecessary to put that crap in your mouth. I'm really, really sorry. Nutella, be gone. Look, I made these crispy things. That's so sweet. It lacks flavor. Instead of eating it, you could also just like not eat it. So because we all gotta stay hydrated now, I will make the only drink that was sent to me, or the recipe to this drink that was sent to me. 1 teaspoon of vinegar, which I guess it's tablespoon. A little bit of honey, water, and lots of ice.
Vinegar?
I've got lots of ice. I shall add a tablespoon of vinegar, whatever. Strange. Now we add a little bit of honey. I shall fill it up with water. Wow! Ew. Weird stuff is happening to the honey. We shall try. Oh, I mean, why not? I probably didn't put enough vinegar in there, but like this, it's a great drink. Oh, why not? Great job, thank you, I needed that in this video. Moving on to our next category. I guess you really liked how often I said gurke in my last video, because the next category is in fact gurken. So we've got this fat ass gurke here.
Can I have a piece?
Okay. Milosh says I shall put ketchup on top of the gurke.
It's gonna be good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why?
Because ketchup tastes amazing.
Yeah?
Gurke tastes like nothing.
No.
Amazing.
Okay. Beautiful. I'll never eat it again, but it didn't kill me. Something I'm excited to try now. Unpopular Cat tells me that I should try cucumbers with honey. I don't know why I'm excited about this.
I don't know either.
But it's gonna be amazing. Put it on top, looks amazing, fantastic. Nope, no, nah. I'm glad I've got this drink though. Okay, we're gonna come back to gurken in just a little bit. Unpopular Cat also told me to put sugar on top of tomatoes. We have got my tomato, got my sugar, sprinkle it on top. I think I need more sugar. It kind of tastes like rhubarb now.
Makes sense, I guess.
Does it? I don't judge you as much for this as for the cucumber with honey. I hate to say it, but I also won't ever eat this again. And I already feel kind of sick. But I've still got this piece of toast here, so we might as well use it. Lotte MSC told me to eat toast with mayonnaise and sliced banana. Which is just all sorts of wrong. So, toast, mayonnaise on top, and for whatever reason, I'm gonna put banana on top of that. I mean, you can barely taste the mayonnaise. I don't hate you for that. I don't hate any of you guys. Tell me, how did you come up with that? That just doesn't make sense. The next one, the second to last one, I'm kind of afraid to even try. Tummy, please don't hate me too much for what I'm about to do to you. Pickles. Back to the gurkens. And for some reason, Arsav wants me to eat them with chocolate. I don't even have words anymore. I'll just try it. Mama, I'm sorry for what I'm about to do. Everyone, I'm sorry for what I'm about to do. Yeah, I'm about to do that. Same taco, same. Thank you again for this drink. I just don't understand. Just why? Why? I don't understand. With that being said, I don't know why my hip hurts so much all of a sudden. I feel like we're gonna end on a good note. I'm not the biggest fan of ice cream, but I think this could actually taste good. Vanilla ice cream, hot salted popcorn, and toffee sauce. I've only got caramel sauce, which I hope isn't too far off. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna eat too much of that because I already feel kind of sick. Hello, popcorn. Let's put it on top while it's still hot. Does look quite tasty, so let's hope it also is tasty. Let's try. That's good. Thank you. It's still ice cream and I'm not the biggest fan of ice cream. You know, just generally, well, why not? The salted popcorn definitely adds something, like this little bit of salt and this crunch. Why not? I mean, I don't want to say that I'm glad that I'm done with all of the recipes, but you finished the sentence. I definitely saved the best for last. Have you guys ever tried one of the combinations that I just tried? Do you not understand them? Because I would understand if you don't understand them, because I don't understand them. But it was definitely fun. Here's to hoping that my tummy won't hate me even more now than it already does. I'd be down to do another one of these videos if you guys want me to. And obviously you guys would have to send me some more crazy food combinations. With that being said, I'll just finish my drink and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching this one. Y entonces, nos vemos la próxima vez. Y bye!